Hello everyone, I am so glad you could join us for our first Bespoke Home 2021. Today, the focus of our event is our Bespoke Home vision. This year, our bespoke refrigerators have gone global. Today, we are excited to expand our bespoke vision to the kitchen and beyond. We will also introduce bespoke lifestyle products that offer a whole new way of using appliances. Together, these devices create the bespoke home fitting perfectly with your lifestyle needs.
For the Bespoke Global launch this year, we expanded our palette to offer more choice for customers around the world. At Samsung, we set out to change the entire customer experience. We want to make sure you and your lifestyle needs are at the forefront. We share new lifestyle innovation and get customer feedback. That becomes the foundation of our next exciting product or service. Today, I would like to introduce exclusive collections.
Starting with the US, we are launching 3 configurations: a 4-door flex, a 1-door column style, and a bottom-mount freezer model. In Europe, Bespoke is available in 1-door and slim 1-door options, and bottom-mount freezer models in 1.8 meter and 2 meter options. So, no matter your lifestyle, Bespoke has the modularity and flexibility you need.
In the US, you'll see a full bespoke kitchen appliance package, including a refrigerator, over-the-range microwave, range, and dishwasher. Available in 4 bespoke colors. And here's something awesome, our bespoke water purifier. Here's the Bespoke Cube refrigerator. This is the all-new Samsung Bespoke Jet Clean Station. It's all in one, and it's just so easy. Another way to breathe easier is with our new Bespoke air purifier. Meet the Bespoke shoe dresser, and here's the air dresser.
As we continue to innovate at Samsung, we are always conscious of the impact these innovations may have on our planet. Bespoke's interchangeable panels and modules let you upgrade your fridge according to your needs, rather than buy a new appliance. Our washing machines save energy through EcoBubble, AI and quick drive technology. Today, recycled plastics are used in all Samsung home appliance products. Samsung is committed to reducing the energy consumption of its refrigerators and washing machines by 30% in 2030, with 2019 as the base year.
The vision we unveil today has 3 things that are important to you. First, beautiful designs. Second, flexibility. And of course, seamless connected services. These products provide solutions for new consumer needs, upgrading the home experience. Thank you for being part of Bespoke Home 2021. We are looking forward to welcoming you back soon.